Yeah.
Order filled, check us out.
You know what time it is.
This is the Mighty Soldiers exclusive.
Yeah. Let's get it. Let's get it.
What's up, guys? Andy with Mighty Soldiers Trades. Hopefully you guys are having a great morning. We are having an amazing morning. We were just on live, Premarket live with Jay Trader and Alexandra. You guys definitely go check that out. That was amazing. But I just wanted to bring up something that we talked about. In my trades, guys, I'm looking for 3 S's, and I do not mean shower and shave. You see, my lips didn't even move. But anyways, maybe we'll edit that out. Maybe we won't. But guys, I don't mean that. What I mean is structure, scenarios, and stop. I told Sarah, I've been talking to her throughout the years of my trading about needing a pre-trade checklist, pre-flight checklist. And we've been sort of tweaking that as we go. But everything, the things that matter, they remain the same. But the one thing that, guys, that I'm always looking for is what kind of structure do we have? We need to look for something that we can actually trade. We need to look for a defensible zone, something where we perhaps crossed a line, whether it be some support or resistance. Maybe it's the volume profile. It could be so many different things in your trades. You could be Fibonacci guy. You could be just candles and be the strat, which maybe that's the best way to go. Trade price action. Price only pays, like Brian Shannon says. But guys, it's really important to go through those scenarios once we find these defensible zones. What can go wrong? What have we seen go wrong? That's why we need that screen time. That's why we need to get in front of these charts every single day in, day out. I had so many people in the community, and I understand what they mean. They're saying, I have this software like TrendSpider, for example, so I don't have to sit in front of the charts all day. And I agree, that's exactly the goal. I like to go walk trails and stuff, so I don't want to sit in front of the charts all day right now. But I needed that time in front of the charts, and I still do get lots of time in front of the charts, guys. So, it's necessary when we're growing as traders, though. We got to get in there and put in the work. When I first started, I started watching videos. I started reading books. I was falling asleep. I was waking up. I was watching the most boring lady in the planet. She was so slow, and I don't think she taught me anything. She talked about EPS or something. And I kept falling asleep, kept waking up. And then I went to I don't know if it's like a Great Courses or something like that. Some sort of like Great Courses type things. This big, huge lecture style. It was like 13 hours or something, and I kept watching that over and over again. And I just kept forcing myself to do that. But the thing that I think paid the most was just sitting here and watching the charts. And I wish I would have paper traded more, because I started out with what I considered at that time a sizable account. And I lost quite a bit of money after making a decent amount of money. I had that whole success thing, then slapped in the face. I got that wake up slap. Anyways, guys. And then obviously, after we can run through these scenarios, what can go wrong? What have we seen wrong? Will it be we're going to pop an upper shadow and we're going to pull back inside like we talked about today on the show with Apple, possibly, potentially? Or, we can break out and then we can pull back for a retest, which is really, I think that just about any trader out there, guys, they're going to tell you that retest is an amazing setup. I'm not recommending you to buy anything, sell anything. Guys, I'm not a registered investment advisor. Please don't make trades based off of what I'm saying. But as far as trading, if you're paper trading, however you're doing and managing these charts, guys, that's what we're talking about here. And I just wanted to get on here real quick and throw this out here, guys. We are going to shower and shake. No. We're going for structure, scenarios. What possible scenarios have we seen or can we foresee? And then our stop, guys. We need to make sure our stop. We need our predefined risk. There is nothing more important than having predefined risk when we're entering any trade. Albeit paper trading, whatever it is you're doing, it does not matter. If you want to grow as a trader, there's no point in getting in here without predefined risk, because then we cannot tweak the plan like Tom Basso said. We can't take that strategy and perfect it. If we're not willing to admit to ourselves when we're wrong and accept that risk that we put in there before we even entered and pressed that buy button, we can tell you guys later on, guys, how to hit the buy button or whatever. I'm not recommending you do it, but I can show you how I do it. I have no problem going over anything on how to in trading in options, guys. Come check us out here on the channel. I will tell you how I do not like to trade 0 DTEs. I don't like to trade anything within 2 weeks. I like to go from 2 weeks to 6 weeks if I'm day trading something. That seems to be a sweet spot for me. But, if I'm going for more of a swing or a position trade, man, dude, I do not like being within a month or so, within even the 6 weeks sometimes. I'll get the 6 weeks at that point. But, I'm just getting off track, guys, with the options. I will tell you guys all about this later. We had a great time over there with Jay Trader and Alexandra. Go check out that video, guys. We have an amazing interview with Tom Basso and lots of other amazing traders on the channel. We will have so much more, guys, and hopefully you guys have a great day. And if you guys want to know what products I'm using for my trades to make it better, I can go over them really briefly. We got Benzinga's squawk is so important to my trades. Trade ideas, they have the most unique, amazing way to never miss any moves, especially in like pennies or rippers, whatever's going on there. And it's something that's actually not just, gapping crap like Jay Trader says, it's not just dropping. It's something that's actually from the open is continuing to show strength. So there's a good way to not miss the movers, And guys, TradeStation is amazing. I love them as my broker. I look at the top percentage gainers every day. I said it in the show today, looking for things that are climbing rank in the top percentage gainers over there. And guys, Mondium Capital, I always look for that Lamborghini in my trades broker that had all the routing options and everything that was going to give me the peace of mind for each strategy and however I'm needing to use that broker. And Mondium Capital, my friend Michael Milani over there. Great stuff, guys. And be sure to check out our show with Michael Milani. He's the CEO of the company, very successful, been in this industry for quite a while, guys. So anyways, I don't want to take up too much of your time. I'll see you guys later, but just wanted to get on here and say this to you guys. So have a great day, guys. Thanks.